Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to uh, make a top-down game where the camera is looking down at the player from above and just make it into a puzzle game. This is what I'm doing for my ITO project at Votech. So first of all, you want to go to New Map, you can choose a blank map if you want, but just to make it simple, we're going to use afternoon lighting and then not save the map that I'm on. So basically, you just have a simple level with a box and the sky. Whoop-de-doo. The player spawn is here. I'm gonna set my coordinate system to world. Anyway, that's beside the point. First of all, to make your player even a player instead of just blank, we're going to go to View and then World Properties, and then go into Game Type. And for my game, it works as a UT deathmatch, so I'm just going to use that because that gives me my player and all that good stuff. So basically now if we walk around, if we hit play, yay, you have a player, you can shoot, he makes noise, um, yeah, and all that. So first of all, to get this started, you want to go to the content browser, which is the little U here, and go over to actor classes. And under common, there will be a camera actor. You want to drag that into level, and just to make it visible, drag it up in the air. It just makes it easier to find in case you need it for something else. Um, that's basically the only reason you would have to do it. So anyway, now that we have the camera actor, let's go ahead and set up the Kismet sequence that will let you set up the top-down game. So first of all, you have to go into Kismet, which is the green and black K with the arrow on the bottom of it. That just opens up the Kismet sequence here. So basically what you need to do is set it up so that when the player is spawned, an attach to actor event happens, which basically it tells it once the player spawns, attach whatever this is to whatever the target is. So you want to go to new event and then player spawned, and then you have the player spawn. Next, you have to go to new action, and then actor, and then attach to actor. And then I'll just line that up for now. Go from out to in, and then the target is going to be the player. So we're going to go to new variable, and then player. And then you have all players selected by default. Just drag an arrow from there. Select this again, and under seek var player, you'll see all players is checked. Turn that off. And then I'll just drag this down here because we're going to need it later. And then the attachment is going to be this camera here, so make sure you have it selected in the viewport. Right click, new object var using camera actor 2. And then you drag the attachment to that, and there you go. Now what you need to do is say, once it attaches this to the actor, what is the target? So we're going to set the camera target and go from out to in, and then the target is going to be player 0, and then the cam target is going to be the camera. So there you go. Back to attach to actor quickly, we need to go to down here under the seek act attach to actor, and you want to use relative offset and use relative rotation, and then go to Z is the height above the player, so 768 is a good amount, and around I like to do minus 70 or negative 75 to negative 100, so I'm just going to set it to 100, and then go down to relative rotation and select pitch and set that to like negative 85 or negative 75. And then let's test it out. So now basically you have a top-down game. If you try and shoot though, you notice he shoots straight down because you can't really aim any. You can aim all the way up if you want to. He'll still shoot down. So we need to fix that. So what you want to do is go back into the world properties under view, and then under world info, it will say no default inventory for player. Select that, and your player has no inventory. And now you can just walk around. You can set up the camera in Kismet however you want. You can go into attached actor, and you can even just do you can do like minus 50 degrees if you wanted to. I mean minus 50 degrees. And you could set it really low. You could set it to like 50 and then set X to, I don't know, -10. And then now if we do it, we get like right through the character, but as you can see, it's kind of close to third person. Now, like, I'm not exact on the measurements to make it a great third person, but this is basically what you have to do. So we'll set X back a little bit more, like -30. That might work out better. Yeah, that worked out better because now we're not running into the player's mesh. So you can screw around with this, set it up however you want. You can use this to make top-down, third-person, basically whatever you want. And if while editing a level you want to turn it off so that you see it in first person, you don't have to get rid of all this stuff or anything. You can just get rid of that one by holding Alt and clicking on the out. And then now if we play again, we're in first person and we can walk around again. Now, we don't have any ammo or anything because there is no gun, but yeah, this is all you really have to do, and then you're good. So, thanks for watching, and I will have another tutorial out soon.